In this video, I'm going to cover how you can have a T at one end of your pipe and then an outlet on the other, a welded outlet on the other. In this case, you see it's a riser nipple, but this would really apply to any sort of scenario where at one end of the pipe you want a T and you want a tap. And the heart of the problem here is when you go into your routing preferences under your preferred junction type, this is what controls whether or not you're using taps, or taps, Revit's word for outlet, or T's, and it's one or the other. You can't make this conditional based on anything, pipe size or anything else. So it's one or the other, and you always found yourself drilling into the pipe and going into the routing preferences and changing things. Now, if you've got an add-in, then you can come in and control this. Say, hey, I want an outlet on my main and I want a T on my branch line. But if you're not using that, any sort of add-in, then this could be a bit more work. Now, I covered in another video how to draw riser nipples. How do you get to this point? So I already have this drawn in here since it's covered in another video. But let's say I want to connect this pipe to this pipe with an outlet, and cheating, I'm using an add-in. Okay, so it's already set to tap. It's a quick and easy way to change it, something we built in. But I'm going to use the extend tool here. See what it did? That T that was there, it turned it into a tap. So it evaluated that whole pipe and even looked at the other end, the not business end of the routine I'm running, and it changed it. So how can we stop this from occurring when we want to just connect this down? Now, that wasn't more of an automated Revit tool. What if I just did it manually? Same thing happened. It absolutely changed it. Now, what if we said, okay, all right, I'm going to come in and change this yet again. Again, I'm cheating. I'll do this. And now I'm going to run this into here. So it changed them both to T's. So how can we stop this from happening? So so that the T at the branch line I'm undoing here, so that this stays put. Well, you can pin it. If you go here and click pin, you see the little pin here. Now, when I connect into that pipe, I get the T at the branch line and the outlet at the main. Now, again, this is how you do it manually. If you've got an automated add-in like the one I'm using here, it makes life a lot easier, but there is a way to control it inside of Revit.